Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. So today this is a day trading for gold US dollar and euro US dollar, and I will be explaining the technical analysis. I will be running that analysis on these charts, euro dollar and gold dollar. So today gold actually did a very fantastic thing right here, and this daily candle, if you can clearly see, this is not yet closed at the moment, but if you can see, for quite some time, like 1, 2 and 3, for 3 days market was very nicely consolidating right here, and finally we have got a break below of the triangle that I was discussing on the H4 right here. Let me show you that really quickly, and then I will proceed further to the analysis part for tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Obviously right here, if you can see, we have got a very nice and fantastic triangle right here, a very strong one, super one I should say, and obviously it broke to the bottom side of the market right here, you can see, and the market moved almost 154 pips till now so far. So the other opportunity we had was 1939, a very smaller zone right here. We had Fibonacci, but at the moment that 1938, I was expecting for a sell opportunity from there. Market did not went up there, and let's see. Anyways, I'm not going to leave this 1938 zone. Some other time I will be trying to take sell trade from right here. So since we have got this break of triangle, most of the traders must be emotionally entering into the sell trades. But remember everyone, forex doesn't work like this. So most traders, what they do is they don't follow the instructions and the discipline very nicely. They don't, and most of the traders who emotionally entered may have made 153 pips, say, or my strategy gave me these levels, but practically for me, taking a sell on this zone right here, that was not possible for me. Right now what I'm going to look for, obviously I will be looking for a correction, but on the daily time frame there is some interesting story going on. Let me clearly show you that as well. What story is going on the daily time frame, and even like when price was right here near 1943 on this candle, I clearly mentioned this drop. So those who took sell trades, congratulations everyone, because market moved very nicely. This was also my zone 1947, which worked very nicely. 61.8% retracement, my strategy obviously. So right here, if you see, we have got a very nice sell opportunity from there, and from there obviously this sell was active for the weekly traders, and I assume weekly traders must have made around 395 pips. So congratulations everyone for this much profit. Okay, so where did the market stop? Let me clearly show you. On the daily, the market exactly stopped right here near 61.8% retracement. Now what does that mean? Is it a good buy level? I have to look it on the H4 to find out. If this is a very nice buy zone, I definitely will be suggesting a buy on this particular support we have right here. This zone, I clearly mentioned this whole area that this is going to be a rejection, and the rejection will start, like, even if this downward rally continues, 1903.83 obviously may become a very nice buy zone. But obviously this is a little bit of long-term story. For the weekly traders, this is an update, and those buyers who were all the way waiting from right here, they took profits near 1947, they closed their deal, and then they were patiently waiting for the market to come back down to 1903 to take further buy opportunity. So let me tell you that those traders obviously must have made 623 pips, and even if those traders who made this 623 pips, this is like around 200 pips of SL this particular trade setup will have, and the take profit can obviously be a bit long term, but there is one problem, and the problem is if I take this as an ABCD pattern, it will be pointing towards 1975. So what can be the practical situation right here, which we obviously can trade and can make money out of that? The first thing is, obviously, I'm looking for a buy setup right here with just 200 pips of SL, and I will be targeting 1975.87. So this 200 pips of SL I'm going to set for this particular trade setup. And for now, if you see, it has this trend line is still valid. And there is one thing that I want to clear to all of you. Let's suppose, since I have no exact idea who is following me, who is on sell, who is on buy. So gold at the moment is clearly in a buy zone, and even if we get a close below 1903.83 on the daily, even we can then leave this trade a bit early as well. So this is the buy scenario, and the sell scenario, definitely that will be on the intraday level. And if I try to drag and drop my Fibonacci, it will indicate a bounce towards 1935. This is also a zone, 1937, 39, so 35 it suggests. And right here we will be looking for some intraday sell opportunities, then those who are looking for sell opportunities on this particular pair. So for a sell, 1935.28, and for a buy, this is already a buy zone with 200 pips of SL. If anyone wants to put this much of stop loss, you can practice it on demo, and I'm sure you will understand this strategy very nicely. Now coming on to the daily time frame, this sell opportunity, if we see, it can all the way come back down towards 1967 somewhere, 1851, sorry, 1851 right here to the downside. And these are the bulls who are holding the market at this present moment. So remember, this whole area will be so much important for me. Even this one, 1883 to the sell side from there. So 830 pips with a stop loss of around 300 pips, I should say. And this is also a long-term opportunity. So this is it. I think if you follow the direction of my analysis, this one, you can clearly catch even a sell trade very nicely, even a buy trade very, very nicely. Now Euro US dollar, the previous analysis is right here from the weekly. And in the weekly forecast, what I said is that for the sell opportunities, I have discussed 1.09161. The market dropped very, very nicely, 231 pips. So those who are looking for a sell opportunity, this was the correct zone. Remember everyone, at the same time, a trader can be a seller, a trader can be a buy. Let me explain it a little bit very, very quickly on the whiteboard right here. Let's suppose this is a trend going up, going up, going up. So from right here and right here, let's suppose market is right here and you are looking at it. And this is a very fresh thing. Let's say you want to become a bull right here. If there is some sort of pattern or something on the basis, or maybe a reversal candle, it can be, I will make a separate video on how to catch a trade. So if there is anything like this, or maybe right here we have some sort of ABCD point right here, so this will be very nice for a sell trade. Let's suppose there is nothing like this right here, and even if it is right here but you don't want to trade, then you want to be a bull, so drag and drop Fibonacci from right here till here, and at the 61.8% retracement, there you go, right here your potential target will be. So you can become a seller right here, you can become a buyer right here, and this is the simplest strategy that I have. So same is the case right here. Those who are looking for a sell opportunity, very nice opportunity it was. Even from right here, I discussed it for a sell as well. For a buy, this level worked very, very nicely, 151 pips. But right here, it took that 151 pips again back from me. But this is part of trading. It do happen, and we have to get used to it. So coming on to the weekly time frame, Euro US dollar seems to be trying to change the trend for a little time, I should say, because overall, if you see on the weekly, this 61.8% retracement retest is like still pending at a price of 1.02090. So this is pending, but it shows tiny signs of bullish market. And on the daily, if you see, this is the current situation. It has created a very, very nice bullish momentum. And let me explain bullish momentum as well to all of you. The bullish momentum is, let's suppose market is dropping like this, it dropped and it stopped at a particular level. This is a daily chart. So, and it cannot close below that on the daily candle. So right here, the daily candle cannot close below this. Then the next candle opened bullish. Today it was bearish, but overall the sentiment and the momentum is clearly bullish to the top side. So those who are looking for buy opportunities, definitely I will not recommend it for buy at this particular moment, but I will be looking for a sell opportunity, an ideal one if I can get it from 1.10342. Now, what is the buy opportunity? Where is that valid? Then near 1.06259, right here we can target something very nicely, but since market is not yet there, so I cannot decide what it's going to do. For those traders who want to take particular sell opportunities right here, I think sell opportunities, just have a look at this bullish momentum right here, followed by a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement right here, a little bit of false break below, then the break in. So clearly suggests a very tiny ABCD pattern right here, and I'm expecting something similar that we have seen on the gold dollar right here on the H4 on this 1885. This, see, a double bottom followed by a rally, a 61.8% correction, and the market continue back up. So something similar can be expected right here, but since the overall trend on the daily is bearish, so I think staying bearish near 1.0808, 1.0846, this whole is going to be a sell area. Those who are looking for sell opportunities, these are the levels. You are free to test it on or practice them on demo accounts. And so let's see what it gives us in the future. These are the levels, okay, 1.07913, and intraday sell can be planned from there. So I thought to update all of you because gold also moved very, very nicely. Yen also opened with a big gap, and in the weekly forecast I discussed it, but in the coming weekly forex forecast I will be further explaining this whole pair as well. And before that, if it gives something else, I definitely will be discussing that as well. So make sure to leave me a like, and it means a lot to me. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me. Anyone who wants to join my courses, the mentorship, this is my WhatsApp number, and if someone wants to work with me personally, I'm available for all of you. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.